everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Color and this is your crafty host Priyanka. So today I'm going to do an unboxing for 3 packages. 2 of them are diamond painting kits and one is finally I got a LightPad. So really excited, you guys. This package that came from AliExpress, I think both these diamond painting kits came from AliExpress. No, this is from Wish, this is from AliExpress, and the LightPad is from Amazon, and I'm really excited. This AliExpress package, I was so scared because they said they delivered it, but it wasn't there, and they said the delivery was unsuccessful, but I was home and I did not make they did not leave me any note, nothing, and I was so confused. But then they delivered it on the following Monday, and I was happy that the package was finally here. So everything said, let's open the Wish because it came first. It took about a month for the Wish package to come by, and this was the one that I had been waiting forever. Let me go ahead and open it. And if I remember it correctly, this is definitely square drill, if I'm not wrong. And they sent me a card. So they sent me a thank you card, and that's really sweet of them. It does not have any like name of the company where I purchased it from, but certainly they sent me a cute thank you card, and I'm really happy. It's so pretty. So let's go ahead and open this diamond painting kit. It is definitely, I feel like it's round. Okay, let's go ahead. It is round, guys, I forgot, but this is the library lake painting, and I hope it's coming up correctly. Let me, yeah, see if I can show you. And it is a library lake, and I had been waiting for this painting forever. It looks small now because it's only 30 by 40 and it's a round drill, and I think that's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. There are 20 colors, which is good. It's 30 by 40, and I'm really liking it. Let's go ahead and open it up and see the quality. It is quite sticky, so there's no problem with the glue. And if you want, I can just, I'll leave a picture of this painting right after I'm done with showing the drills and everything, so you guys can see the picture clearly. But it's right here up in the corner. And I know a lot of you guys would have seen this. It's a very common painting, but I really liked it, so I purchased this painting. And looks good. The the glue quality looks good. Let's look at the diamond paint, the toolkit. It comes with the standard single pick pen, a small sheet of wax, and a tray. It's kind of a semi-transparent tray. I'm not going to take it out, but it's kind of the same like the regulars. And then finally here are the drills, and the quality of the drills is really pretty. I can already see it is really good quality drills, very high quality drills. And I have noticed that whenever they come in this kind of packaging, the quality of the drill is really good. So I'm really liking the quality, and look at the amount of beautiful colors. Even though it's only 20 colors, the colors are really pretty and vibrant. So really excited to do this painting. Definitely will upload a review once I'm done working on it. And now that I have my LightPad, I am definitely going to be working faster. Not like I had been really slow. Actually, I haven't done diamond painting in over a week because I have to work at night when my son is sleeping and it's dark and I can't see most of the time. So anyways, moving on, let's go ahead and open the LightPad. I haven't opened it yet, but I removed it from the Amazon box. Ooh, I'm shaking the whole camera, guys, because it's attached to my table, but I'm really sorry about that. But really excited. There's the cable, and there's the... That's about it. There are 2 paper clips or binder clips, and it's broken. Well, this can be fixed. It's not a big deal. It's broken, guys. I just fixed it. It's okay. So 2 binder clips to hold the diamond painting in place. I have a lot more, so even if I break this, it's okay. And then the cord for the USB cord, and it doesn't come with the power adapter power, so I'll have to use mine, which is okay. It did mention, and I had already read about it, but this was the cheapest. It was $16.99, no, $16.95 for this LightPad. So really excited. Definitely you will see it in my future videos when I do diamond painting updates. And this is how it looks like, guys. And just peel this up, I guess. Yeah, so need to peel it up. And where do I put the USB? Oh, right here, guys. So power it right here, if you can see. And it's a simple LightPad. Really excited to use it. Definitely when I do my next video, I'm going to use this, so you guys will be seeing a lot of this LightPad. So not going to start not going to turn it on right now because the power plug is too far from me, and I have to ask my husband for the extension cord because he has it, and he's not home right now. So this is the LightPad, guys. Really cute and really lightweight. It's really lightweight. It was only $16.95, and then I only ended up paying $2.95 because I had $14 worth of Amazon gift cards that I got from various apps that I have. As I was saying, I use all my gift card, all the apps. I try to get Amazon gift cards so that I can purchase Amazon products with the gift cards, and that helped me because I only paid $2.95 for this, and the $14 came from the gift card, which is cool. And I'm really excited to use this. Need to get the extension cord from my husband because that's all his department. I don't really pay attention to all that stuff, so he might know where the extension cord is. So this is it, guys. It came with 2 binder clips, 1 USB cord, and the LightPad itself. I'm really excited to use it, and I will definitely be doing a video of reviews, and you will see the future diamond painting videos with me using the LightPad. So you guys will definitely know how this is working for me. So that's that. Let me put it back in here before I do something and break it like that. Light pen. I have no idea what I did to that thing. I still couldn't figure it out, and I have probably I think I've probably already thrown it away, or it's somewhere in the art room, my clean art room. You know, it's just an I'm just being sarcastic. My art room is really not clean. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have an art room, and is it clean or is it messy like mine. Mine is super messy. It's messy. Super messy is an understatement. Let's put it that way. Okay, so the last and final painting that got lost while coming here, and it was in this bubble wrap. Look at how solid the bubble wrap is, and I was really happy the way it came. And I had already filmed this part before I realized that the memory was full in the camera and I had to redo it. So this is already out of the bubble wrap. And let's open the painting. So it's 20 by 60. This painting is 20 by 60. And if you guys can see the painting image right here. And let me peel it for you guys to see. Wow, look at this, guys. Look at the Winnie. Winnie the Pooh is looking so cute. I'm really excited to do this one. Probably I'm going to skip all the old paintings that I have, and I'm going to start working on this one. And as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to leave all the details about the seller in the description for you guys. So if you want to check them out, I will have them all in the description for you guys. And I don't see Tigger, but I thought Tigger was somewhere right here. Well, we'll know. Well, no, Tigger is hugging Pooh, so he's right here, if you guys can see. And we have Donkey right here. Cool. So I'm really liking it. It's a square drill painting. So I'm really happy with it. Now let's see the drills. So these are the standard pack of drills, and I think it was about 39 colors for this painting. Really, I haven't checked if I have all the colored drills, but they have given me a checklist, so I'm definitely going to do that and see if I've received all the bags. And let me pull this up closer. And that's the painting, guys. If you cannot see, don't worry about it. I'm going to have the video right after I'm done showing you. I'm going to have the photo. I'll post the picture of this right after I'm done showing you the product. And these are square drills. So let me just bring it closer to you guys, if you can see. So they are really good quality, looking really good. Nothing's busted and nothing's out of order. I can see a few rogue drills, but that's common. It's okay. It has been through a lot. It took at least a month. Oh, some of them fell. It took a month to get here. So yeah, it has been through a lot. So, and then it's been raining continuously here for, I think, it's been raining. Don't even remember how many days it has been raining, but it's raining a lot, guys. And then we have the standard toolkit. It has a single pick pen and a multi-pick side, a tweezer, a big sheet of wax, and the standard green board. So that's about it, guys. This is a standard toolkit, nothing special. And I'm going to definitely start working on these as soon as possible. Now that I have my LightPad, I can work faster. I think I mentioned it earlier also, I haven't done diamond painting for a week or so now, because I just have been I have to work at night with diamond painting, and it's hard for me. It's too dark, and lately it has been raining, so even during the daytime it is super dark. So it's hard for me to do diamond painting without the LightPad. So I'm going to finish a few and then do a video about completed diamond paintings all together. About 3 or 4 I'll finish, and then I'll put it up together. So that's about it, guys. I got this kit and this kit. So I got 2 diamond paintings and a LightPad this time, and I am really excited to start all these diamond paintings and really happy. So if you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell button so you can stay in the loop of all the new videos I post. Also, leave me a comment about the craft room, but also leave me a comment whether you like the round drill paintings or the square drill paintings, and why. And I will, like I mentioned earlier in my earlier videos, I love your comments. I might be late to reply, but I really enjoy reading your comments, and I'm really appreciative that you guys are giving me feedback, giving me tips, advices, and just leaving me some nice comments and appreciating what I do here. And I really appreciate all of you, and thank you so much for helping me reach 500 subscribers. And it was not going to be possible without the help of you guys. So thank you once again. I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye.